Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, that is Sharp Skills 62. In this tutorial we will learn how to choose a template. In this tutorial we will choose a template for our home page from Elementor. So for that purpose go to the page and all pages, view all pages and click on edit, and you can see this option. If you import the plugin Elementor, click on it, edit with Elementor. The journey to an impressive home page starts with choosing the right design. In this tutorial we will just add a template from here, and we will make it by scratch in the next tutorial. In this tutorial we will just import a template for our home page. So from here on search, type type home, and from here you will see all of these options. You can just preview this page, and the page you like, just import that page. So I want to import this page, so click on insert. Now that you have decided on your home page style, let's bring it to life. Click on get started, click on apply and wait just a few seconds, and the page you selected is just imported. So that's how our home page now looks like. But we do not want these two here on our home page, so how to hide them? Go to the setting, so it's gone. And how our home page looks like, you can edit these headings. Click on it, and from here you can type anything that you want, but I do not want to edit or rename. And you can change these pictures from here. Click on it, and from here choose image and delete this image, and you can edit these paragraphs, image, and these things. So now our next step is to ensuring mobile friendliness. So how our home page looks like in tablet or in mobile view. So from here click on responsive mode. So that's our desktop view. Click on tablet. So it's a template, and beautifully adjust the tablet view. So we do not need to do anything from here, but if we want to create a page from scratch, you just need to make sure that your website looks better on all of these devices, either desktop, tablet or mobile. So that's how our website looks like, but these things are not good. You can just adjust them, but I do not need to do anything from here. I just want to import a template for our home page. So that's the tablet view and that's the mobile view. So that's how our home page looks like in mobile. Now I want to view how my page looks like. Go to your website, front view. Oh, I did not update the home page. Click on update and go to your website. Refresh the page, and you will see how our home page looks like. So that's the template we just recently imported from Elementor. And there you have it. You have just transformed your WordPress website with a remarkable user-friendly home page. If you found this tutorial as valuable as I did making it, show some love with a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more web design. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you in the next exciting tutorial.